Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $10 per hour just by having conversations with people around the world, guys. This is going to be easy and fun way to make money from home, and you can start doing this today. So here we are, guys, at cambly.com, and you can get to this website at cambly.com. So this is where people go if they want to learn English, guys. So you need to know English in order for you to make money from this one, okay? So what you're trying to do here is become a tutor, somebody who can just speak conversational English to somebody who wants to learn English, okay? So here, learn to speak like a native. Cambly tutors are dynamic native speakers from the United States, Canada, UK, and Australia, etc. Connect with your perfect tutor in under 5 seconds by simply pressing a button. Practice English conversation, take an English course, or learn to ace these exams. So basically, you can be a tutor that can practice the conversational English with them so they can get more familiar with how to talk in English, okay? And basically, every time you want to work, you just turn on your phone and be ready to take on calls, because then people can just pick you, and then you can just pick up your phone and start a conversation and learn about where they're from and stuff like that, and just practice English. That's it, okay? But for you and me to apply to be one of those tutors is not coming to here, okay? It's not there. You have to I actually had to search for it. So I'm going to have the link to this next page in the video description below this video, okay? So how to become a tutor, you just come to this page, which I'll link in the video description, like I said. You come to this page. This is how you can sign up, okay? So you're going to get paid to chat with people from around the world, okay? You get to be a tutor here, which is pretty fun, and you don't need any experience, okay? It's not as if you need a teaching degree or anything like that, because you're just practicing talking English, okay? Just having a conversation. See, while you chat with students, we automatically track the time you tutor. We pay 17 cents per minute, which is around $10 per hour, delivering your earnings every Monday via PayPal, guys, okay? You see, you get to pay weekly on PayPal as well. You make your own hours. You work as little or as much as you want. You can log on whenever you have a free moment and start taking calls within minutes, okay? See, it's very easy, guys. And let me move myself up here. And then meet interesting people. You chat with people from around the world. In 1 hour of tutoring, you might meet a Brazilian, a Saudi, and a Russian. You'll learn a lot about their cultures and languages too. So it's pretty fun, it sounds like. And when I click on get started or sign up, this is the form that you need. It's not much at all, so it is very easy for you to sign up to become a tutor. And you can use your real name or a fake name if you want, if you don't want your real name shown, okay? Or you could just use an initial. This app is also available on iTunes and Google Play, guys, so you could get it on both phones. Any smartphone will do. Look at the ratings of this app, guys, okay? Whew, 54,000 reviews, over 4 stars. I think that's an excellent app. I don't even have to go down to look at the reviews. When you have 54,000 people reviewing, that's a pretty good app. This one is not as much, but you have over 5,000 reviews here as well, and it's a 4.5 star review. So it is highly rated, this company, so This is a definitely legit way to make money online and meet people from around the world. Who knows, man? You might even get yourself a nice place to stay around the world. But this is awesome. So this is how you can become a tutor at Cambly, and then you can just start making money just from talking to other people so they can learn conversational English. This is such a fun and easy way to make money online, guys. I love it. All right, guys. So if you like this way of making money online, you should definitely try Cambly because it is a legit company, as you can see by all the reviews there are as well. But if you want to make even more money, actually, or make money when you don't work, you can then check out the program in the video description below. It's going to be the first link. It's not going to be the other links about Cambly, okay? So check out the first link in my video description. It's going to be taking you to a video where I'm going to talk about this program a little bit more, where you can really set it up so that you can earn money even if you are not working. So that is making passive income, and that's how I earn online, guys. I make a full-time income this way, and I hope you would join me and try this business model out as well as making money you being an English tutor. You could start with that, and then the money that you make with that, you could save it and invest in this program so you can make much bigger money, guys. Okay, so that's how I would do it, and that's why I show you guys many different ways to make money online so that you can invest in a program that will really generate you thousands of dollars online if you can make it work, meaning if you use hard work and really want to build an online business like I did, then you can use this program as well. Okay, guys. All right, so like this video if you found this video very valuable today. I hope you did. And subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, okay? And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I hope I could see you on the next video, guys, okay? And I hope you make money online soon, all right, guys? All right, bye.